Hello, and welcome to our video on inclusive innovation. Our EPSRC funded project on gender and spinouts seeks to improve the access of women to commercialise their research and develop their innovations. But why is inclusive innovation important? A lack of gender diversity in the innovation ecosystem is detrimental to the creation of high-quality inventions, but it is not just about missing out on the talents of women or underrepresented groups. As well as limiting the possibilities in regards to the innovations that can be produced, a lack of inclusive innovation can also have serious social consequences. A key example of this is the development of the three-point seatbelt system. The three-point seatbelt was first developed in 1959, yet it took over 4 decades for this technology to account for the safety of pregnant women. Finally, in 2002, a female engineer named Laura Thackeray adapted the technology and designed a seatbelt that would avoid crushing the unborn child in the case of an accident. This is something which no male engineer had thought of in the original design. This example is used by Professor Londa Scheibinger, who teaches the history of science at Stanford University. She makes a compelling case about the importance of integrating sex and gender analysis into research and development processes, and highlights specifically how making the innovation ecosystem inclusive is not about fixing the women. Instead, there are 3 stages that Professor Scheibinger highlights as important to consider in order to make the invention and development of new processes and technologies equitable. The first is to increase the numbers of women participating in STEM subjects. As our project has shown, women are underrepresented across the majority of STEM disciplines, and most significantly, they are severely lacking in areas such as physical sciences, mathematics, engineering, and technology. For our project, we would like to improve the numbers of women founding spin-out companies, as currently only 13% of UK spin-out companies have a woman founder. This idea of increasing the numbers of women participating in the field is referred to as fixing the numbers. The second area to improve is the promotion of gender equality in all career levels through structural change. In regards to spin-outs, this structural change would be implemented at an institutional level through higher education institutions, through a local level in harnessing an inclusive localised innovation ecosystem, and through national policies that encourage gender equality in research commercialisation. This is called fixing the institutions. The final area to be improved is in research design and participation itself, where sex and gender analysis in research must be integrated into science and technology. By doing so, all innovations that are created will inherently have considered inclusive narratives and needs. This is called fixing the knowledge. Thus far, the landscape of innovation is yet to be an equal playing field. Inclusivity in technology needs to be implemented at every stage from development and production to use, and therefore integrating gendered analysis into innovation is vital for an equal society. Thank you very much for listening.